So
Absolutely.
Dipali, all I want you to do is take off your glasses, okay? If you
And
have,
Bhairavi, so sorry, just coming in very quickly. As you said, whatever you're taking Dipali through, because you haven't asked her anything, she hasn't said anything. You're taking her through something, and the rest of us can actually follow along, right?
yes, I'm just going to come to that. So what I
Okay.
want to tell everyone is this frequencies has its own intelligence, okay? It travels with its own, we are just holding a space together right now on this call. So it can, if I'm working on Dipali, it is equally possible that you guys could have some or the other feelings or sensations or awareness. So I would request all of you also to just close your eyes and be in a very comfortable position. If you can lie down, if you can, take some back rest, because if you zone in, sometimes you start injuring your neck by falling here and there. So all of you be in a comfortable position. I'm working
Mm.
with Dipali, yes, but
Yes.
maybe you will have something to share that I felt this or I felt that. Okay.
Okay.
So Dipali, in your case,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
just want you to take that comfortable position. If you can lie
Yeah.
down, fantastic. If not,
Yes.
just
I'm
take some
okay, ma'am.
rest. Yeah,
Yes.
and
Yes.
close your eyes. No thinking, no doing anything else that you are otherwise doing. Just close your eyes. You feel that you have a free holiday. You are on Miami Beach with your sunglasses on, your sunscreen on, and no husband, no children, no in laws to disturb you there. Okay? So just lie down with your eyes closed, and I'm starting the work. When I'll finish, I'll just tell you, and you can then open your eyes and share. Okay? I'm starting. Everybody, just be in a very comfortable position and lie down. And Dipali, take care of your neck because I don't see any support behind your neck.
I'm comfortable, madam.
Okay, perfect.
Thank
I'm
you.
working with Dipali,
Okay.
and there we start. Hey, Dipali.
Yes, madam.
Hi.
Hi.
Just a 5 minute of work I did because time wouldn't permit more, but we'd be happy if you can share something.
Yeah, I felt nice, madam. I was feeling like I am in the air, and it's raining here, so I feel that it was raining also, and I felt cool there, relaxed.
Super, super. So, anybody else who simultaneously felt something?
And anybody who, okay, Surpi, was that you raising your hand? Come on and tell us.
It was so magical. So I also do similar work, but this one was as if I saw Archangel Michael, like
Wow.
floating above, like literally, like since I was lying down, and there was another. So I'm not very sure whether it was Archangel Michael, but there was definitely an archangel above me, and kind of doing exactly this movements of the hands as you were doing on me. And I had twitches. I was like twitching on the bed. It was magical. Thank you so much. So
Thank
it
you.
was really beautiful.
Thank you, madam. Really, it was
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank
Thank
you.
madam.
you. Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank you,
choosing me.
Surbhi. Thank you, Dipal. I'm sure many of you might have felt it just goes where it's needed. And that's how magical it is. It's 5 minutes. It's more like a taster, pani puri ke baad sukha puri, something like that. The pani puri is the 30-minute session that you take throughout the chatakas come.
But this pani
So
puri was tasty. Thank
yeah,
you,
so
madam, so much.
this is how we work with hands without touching. Even in distance, I just work on a hologram of that person, and the person really goes through. And you have the liberty to work with others. So, like if you need sessions, of course, but if you feel my father needs, my husband needs, my child needs, and they won't listen, they won't do other things, this is something we can just do it for them, irrespective of them believing, knowing, sharing their problem, doing anything, we can just do the work. So
That's
that's what makes me very happy.
And I can see it, and I could see Vandana giving like a thumbs up. Vandana, would you like to share your experience?
Yeah, I want to share always wherever we go out, like the husband is with you, children are with you, you always have to work for them, serve them, this, that. There is no peace at all, even on a holiday. As Bhairavi said, we are on a Miami beach and I'm totally alone and I'm really at peace.
That's beautiful.
It has really brought me peace, even all the holidays I have been through. So this is the best holiday I had in 5 minutes
In
because
five
it's
minutes.
totally me. It's totally me.
Superb. Yeah, that's for me. Yeah, there is some science also with this work. I'm not going back to the screen, but quickly informing all of you, it is scientifically proved by Stanford and Oxford University. There are a lot of pictures. Maybe I'll share later on the Telegram group and be in touch with you all and explain to you how science has proved this work. So there is Quillian photography. They've done a lot of tests on leaves, on DNA, on brain lobe, and I can share all those test results later on the group because I'm sure we are going over time. That's what I feel. The frequencies has kept us all waiting here. So
Absolutely, and that's lovely. We would definitely want that shared. Before that, very quickly, Bhairavi, everybody has written in saying that Sumedha says, my neck was continuously bending towards the right. Parita said, tears were rolling down. Vani said, already feeling warm in my ears. Priya said, my face and head is tingling. Dolly said, I just felt happy being at the beach. Bharati said, felt drowsy, was bending on right side, also felt all cells were blooming. Preeti said, I felt lying down on the beach, relaxing. Mona says that even before you started, sorry, even before Bhairavi started, I felt vibrations in my whole body. I felt a shift in my energy and frequency. I had met Bhairavi in Mumbai at the evening with Eric at the Reconnect Healing, and it was beautiful. So thank you all for writing in and sharing. And Bhairavi, my God, 5 minutes. Minutes. And look at the responses, the reactions everyone's been having, and let me share this with you because this happens every call, and I don't often get to say it. Very the moment you started, I went off video because DJ, that's my dog, he's been scratching at my door for a long time now. He's been scratching on and off through this call, but just when you started, it became incessant. Like he wanted to be let in right now. So I put myself on off video because I just went, opened the door, gave him a quick, reassuring pat on the head, and told him, "Dude, you gotta wait a little bit more time, and I'll be with you soon." Every time, all the demos, it's happened. It's unbelievable how these little babies, our littlest babies that we have, how they respond
Yeah.
to any healing process. It never ceases to amaze me, really. And you're amongst the very many finest that I know. So
Thank you so much.
I would have been surprised if he wasn't scratching at the door.
And animals have really responded to reconnected healing. So I've got privilege to work with dogs, cats, horses, birds, and they amazing. They are amazing.
Yeah, aren't they? And Bhairavi, not, like I said, in 5 minutes, you were taking on only Dipali, but we had everybody following through. So whatever had to come up and out, or whatever Dipali had to feel, she felt. Everybody else also responded.